Eilish, which I was really intrigued when she brought this one in, just because this was the debut single of Billie Eilish. So this is like at the very, very, very beginning of her career. So she taught me something new about some pop rap with this one. So I'm looking forward to hearing her sing it.
Okay, let's do it. Oop, I turned it off. LOL.
She's such a.
Anyway, let's try that one again. I lost myself again, but I remember. Don't come back, it won't end well, but I wish you'd tell me to. Our love is 6 feet under, I can tell, but wonder if our grave was watered by the rain. Would roses bloom? Would roses bloom? Again, you trace my lips, erase your touch. It's all too much for me. Blow away like smoke in there. How can you die carelessly? Our love is 6 feet under, I can tell, but wonder if our grief was watered by the rain. Would roses bloom? Could roses bloom? You're playing us down, laying us down tonight. And all of these clouds crying us back to life. But you're cold as a night. 6 feet under, I can help but wonder if our grave was watered by the rain. How I lost myself again, but I remember you.